welcome to EBC Learning. I'm Bijayatri Roy, and here are 5 common situations that may sound familiar. Imagine you and your friends are planning a trip to Goa. Exciting, isn't it? You go to a travel agency and discuss your plans with an executive there. He shows you a brochure with pictures of a 4-star hotel and testimonials of satisfied travelers. You select a hotel located near Baga Beach and finalize the bookings for you and 4 of your friends. When you reach the hotel, 4 stars, not even 2 stars, a filthy guest house with a manager straight out of a horror movie, rat infested rooms and cobwebs on the walls. Beach facing rooms? Not at all. The rooms face a new wing of the property under construction. Now take another situation. A neighbor is admitted in a local nursing home to treat a common diabetic bacterial infection, cellulitis. Now, after a week of treatment, the infection seems to have spread to the sole of the foot as well. On conducting X rays and MRIs, it is found that the problem has become severe and gangrenous, and the infection level has also shot up. The senior doctor shifts the patient to ICU and suggests amputation of the foot. Now, despite knowing the severe diabetic condition, the surgeon does not take necessary precautions during the surgery. The patient suffers excessive bleeding and dies the next day after the surgery. Or say an acquaintance has an insurance policy from ABC Insurance Company, and when she suffers a loss from a car accident, she makes a claim to the company. Now, after running around from pillar to post, the insurance company sends her a rejection letter without even a valid reason, and she suffers a loss of almost 5 lakhs. Or just think of your dream of owning a home. But often, buyers see themselves landing in several issues and being helpless. You may have heard of instances where a home buyer who had booked an apartment with a builder was handed over the possession much beyond the stipulated time, or there could be housing societies who are swindling their purchasers of land with false documentation. Now think of how your life has changed because of e commerce, which has become the new norm. A click on the mouse, and you can order a laptop for yourself. Another click, and you have booked your flight to Seychelles. Now, what if you booked your flight through a website that turned out to be fake? Your payment is successful, but you never received your tickets. And the customer care number on the website connects you to a call center for electronic goods. Now, wondering why I'm discussing these situations? Today is National Consumer Awareness Day, and we at EBC Learning decided to make you aware of the common service sectors which come under the ambit of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. In all these 5 situations, the victim or the suffering party can approach the appropriate consumer forum and seek redressal. You can approach the appropriate forum for deficiency of services, unfair trade practices, negligence, false advertisement, etc. So, anytime you come across similar situations, be confident because the consumer protection laws in India not just help consumers of goods but also of services. Now, to know more about this, you can watch our courses on Consumer Protection Essentials and Consumer Protection Practice and Procedure by Dr. Pratima Narayan, which are available on our website EBC Learning. Here's wishing you all a happy and safe National Consumer Rights Day 2020.